3 times a number decreased by 5. Okay, so we will let the number be x, and what we want to do is we want to multiply by 3. That's 3 times the number, and we want to decrease that by 5. The sum of 20 divided by a number and that number divided by 20. So the sum of 20 divided by a number and that number divided by 20. So I'm going to have two expressions that are added together corresponding to the two parentheses I have in the previous sentence. And the first one is 20 divided by the number, and again we'll use x to represent the number. And the second thing that is going to constitute the second number in the sum is the number divided by 20. And so I put the parentheses in order to explain how I got there, but one could simplify that without parentheses by simply doing this. Okay, next one, number 44, is asking whether 5 is a solution to this equation. And so what one does is one sets x equal to 5 on the left and asks whether 5 plus 17 is equal to 22. Well, clearly it is, and so therefore 5 is a solution. Number 46, we're asked whether 20 is a solution to this equation, and to answer that question we will put 20 in for y. 50 minus 20 is equal to 20. I'm sorry, this is 30. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20, which gives 20 equals to 20, and therefore 30 is a solution. Number 51 asks whether 6 is a solution to 4m plus 3 equals 23. So in order to answer that question, we will substitute 6 for m and ask whether 4 times 6 plus 3 is equal to 23. 4 times 6 is 24. So is 24 plus 3 equal to 23? Is 27 equal to 23? No. So 6 is not a solution. 62. How would we write this in an algebraic statement? The quotient of a number and 8 is 1/4. So quotient of a number and 8 is equal to 1/4. So notice that equals takes the place of is, and the quotient of number replaced by x, and 8 is written as you see it here. 67. 5 less than 3 times a number gives 7. 5 less than 3 times a number. Okay, so I'm going to start with 3 times a number. 3 times a number I'm going to write as 3x. And I'm going to reduce that by 5 equals 7. So equals is synonymous with gives.